195 calories. But alright, so this is a Dewey sour cream and onion stacks. I know what you're thinking, yum. This has about 901 calories per 170 grams. So how long is it going to take you guys to actually burn these calories? We're going to put that to the test. So on average, you consume about a quarter to half of the Doritos chips, which equates to about 225 calories per quarter. And that's the challenge I'm going to be doing today. The idea is to burn 225 calories or more before I can actually eat these chips. This is my daily snack calorie challenge. I'm going to tag 3 people. And when I tag you, show us what snack you're consuming. Add up those calories. Show us what workouts you're doing to burn those calories. Tag 3, 2, 1 people, as many people as you can possibly tag. Let's start this challenge. Are you ready? My daily snack calorie challenge. Let's go. For my workout, all I need is a skipping rope and a duffel bag. With your duffel bag, adjust the resistance by adding or subtracting whatever items you want in a duffel bag. That's it. Now I'm going to set my workout to a high intensity interval training. Where are you? Let's go. Alright, so it's only been about just over a minute. We've burned just about 19 calories, so we still got a lot more to go. Let's go. Oh. I want the Dorito chips, man. The Dorito challenge. I want the Dorito chips. I'm gonna eat you. I don't care. I'm gonna burn those calories and I'm gonna enjoy this. Go ahead. 90 calories. I don't know if you can see 90 calories burnt. Where we at now? 6 minutes, 7 seconds. Alright, let's keep pushing, man. What do you think I was talking a lot? Yo. Damn it, I'm well. Just do it back there. See, first thought that I'm not could. Got these one pump blocks, but I need this prop. Take time, easy. My mates. I see it all for the mates, but that did it. Man, seeing it big. Best to burn, the guys I'm doing up like I'm through on my mates. Yo, countless risks want me on the case, screen free on my mates. Yo, man, see it all for the mates, but that did it. Man, seeing it big. Best to burn, the guys I'm doing up like I'm through on my mates. The sweating line. We've done about 8 minutes, just over 8 minutes of a workout. We've burned 126 calories. Yeah, just gotta keep pushing, man. Heart rate is up. Looking forward to eating the chips, you know. Well, let's keep going, man. Boy. My ex, I'm just trying to double these checks. They're saying burners up next. I'm still with this guy, still trying to play with these zells. She say I'm gonna do checks. Bro saying stick to the street, that's fire in the booth. And I ain't even breaking no yo. Look, I ain't even taking no less. Count this stack to the nearest pants. When I need it, I wanna make it easier. That break takes. Go take a fight overseas. I'm teasing. 176 calories burnt. Over 11 minutes. 11 minutes 25 seconds to be precise. We'll keep going. My active rest is probably about 10 seconds or 5 seconds in between. You can do up to a minute or whatever. As long as you burn the required calories, you have to consume whatever snack that you want for that day, then we're good. 195 calories, but
Got it in cash, I don't see no tax. Bros got work for the fiends and cats. I remember that day when he got grabbed. Saying couple brother can't ask why he got sacked. Just hit 6 for a log in the AM bag. Saved in the team like Jamie's.
217 calories burned, we're almost there. Hitting 14 minutes. It goes to show you, man, it's easy to put whatever snack in your mouth or whatever food in your mouth. But when you realize how long it's gonna take or how much effort or work is required to burn those calories, we'll probably think twice about it. We gotta keep going. 225 calories or more. We're almost there. Let's keep pushing. Boom.
Tell us up and all these weapons, I can't love none of these girls from Peru. I'm rolling the watch to the left, hook right, hook jab, but you ain't in seconds.
Done! We've done it. It only took about 60 minutes, 37 seconds. Siri thinks I'm trying to chat to it. Now, I ain't got time to chat to Siri. I'm chatting to you lot. 232 calories burned. Just about under 17 minutes. My heart rate's all the way up. Now I can enjoy those babies and only feel guilty. A fraction of what I would have felt if I never actually did a workout. So I can't wait to tag you guys. The reason of this challenge is to kind of educate people and just understand the calories you consume on a daily basis and the effort it takes to burn those calories or work hard for those calories. It don't really matter. You can walk, you can run, you can jump, you can sprint, you can do whatever physical activities within your capabilities. But as long as we're moving and understanding what we're consuming during this lockdown, then, you know what I mean, then that's something to actually take with us. So, 247 calories burnt in under 17 minutes. So I'm gonna enjoy my Doritos chips. All that work just to enjoy you, just to enjoy this little bit here. Just this little bit. I didn't want like half of it, I didn't want like all of it. Just this little bit. 225 calories. I don't know what to say. I don't know what to say, man. But you can see me sweating. My heart rate is just starting to come down. Well, yeah, man. Show us whatever favorite snacks you guys love enjoying. I'm gonna do more of these workouts because I have various snacks that I actually love indulging on. So, and that's it. That's your boy H. It's a wrap. 225 Doritos Stacks Calorie Challenge completed. And until next time, have fun, enjoy yourself, whatever you do, enjoy it, you know, and just have fun with it. It's your boy H. Love, 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 love. Boom.